as the focus shifts from Bengaluru to the national capital, and at a time when pro-DKS MLAs have come to Delhi with the hope of meeting the party high command, Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge himself is going to Bengaluru. Now, Kharge is expected to leave for Bengaluru in the evening, and as per sources, there is no appointment given to the Karnataka MLAs from KC Venugopal as well. Now, a couple of MLAs have met Kharge, but as per sources, it was a very brief meeting as they did not get an appointment from Kharge's office as well. So let's connect with Kritika on this angle. As far as the Delhi angle of Karnataka politics is concerned, Kritika, good morning. A lot of these leaders, they're, hopeful that they will be getting the attention of the party high command of the Congress party. Congress party high command for now seems to be non-committal.
Well, absolutely, Amita. In fact, that is what had happened last evening as well. A few Congress party MLAs of the DKS camp had sought an appointment with Congress party chief Mallikarjun Kharge, but that did not culminate into a larger discussion. Even today, they're hopeful of securing a meeting rather, with either KC Venugopal, the General Secretary, or Randeep Surjewala as well. But that also seems unlikely at the moment, because remember, these high-level meetings are also happening directly between the Congress High Command and DK Shivkumar, as well as CM Siddaramaiah as well. And a day after the Karnataka government completed 2.5 years of tenure is when it was initially assumed that there will be a change in leadership. And to assert that and to ensure that that does happen, as far as both of these camps are concerned, we are seeing a lot of movement today also. And as our colleague Imran was also pointing out, even on Sunday, a fresh batch of MLAs are also expected to come to Delhi. We are also currently reporting from Karnataka Bhavan, where we can confirm that about 4 MLAs are also here currently. We'll also be trying to be speaking to them, but so far any meeting between them and the Congress High Command seems unlikely, as the AICC president will also be flying to Bangalore today. Over to you.
All right. Remains to be seen exactly how does this bickering go about, because there were certain reports as earlier the BJP sitting in the opposition in Karnataka was previously suggesting that the third front could open up between, as far as these camps are concerned, of Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar to dispel any rumors. Thank you very much for the moment, Kritika, for getting that